half double crochet in the next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. In 11 make half double crochet. Make half double crochet in every chain except last one. Now this is my last chain, so I will make 5 half double crochet into it. 3 4 and 5. Now make half double crochet in all stitches till to the end. Half double crochet. Now in the last one I will make 4 half double crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. Now make slip stitch in the second chain. Now this is my first round. Chain 1, in the same stitch make single crochet. Now 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet in a row. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make half double crochet into the next. Now make 1 2 3 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 3 and 4. Now make after this double crochet for 2 times in 5 stitches. Sorry, it is 5 double crochet. 5 double crochet, and then I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Sorry. Like this, okay? Make it 5 times. Now make 5. I did my 10 double crochet in. Now double crochet in next 5 stitches. 3 2 3 4 and 5. Now make half double crochet for 1 time. Now 5 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Excuse me. Now I have 1 2 3. I will make 3 single crochet double. I mean 2 single crochet in each stitch for 3 times. 2, and this one is my last. 2 single crochet. Now in the first chain make this is my second round. Now I will make my third round, so I will chain 3 and make 1, and in the next make 2 half double crochet. Now I made two double crochet in 2 stitches. So I will make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. In 9 I will make double crochet. Now make a double crochet in each stitch for 10 times. This one is my first. Now in the second make 2 in one, and in the next make 1 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet in each same stitch, and 1 in the next 1 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet in same stitch. In the next make 1 double crochet. So make it in 10 stitches. Now I did my 2 1 2 1 in 10 stitches. So now I will make double crochet for 12 times. 2 3 4. Now I made my 13 stitches. Okay, it was 13 stitches. So now I have 1 2 3 4 left. So I will make double crochet for 2 times in same stitch. 1, this one is my second one. 2, in the next make 1, and in the same 2. In the next make 1 and 2. Now in the third one make a slip stitch. Now this is my shoe sole. Now the upper part I made a knot here, and I will make single crochet from the back post like this. Now again back post, pull a loop and make a single crochet. Now do it all over till to the end of this side. Do it all over till to the end of this side. Now I completed my this round. Now I will make single crochet in all stitches. So make 1 2 3 rows of single crochet. Now I completed my 3 row of the shoe. So I will this is the middle of my shoe, this one, do it like this, and this is the middle of my shoe. So I will count 12 from this side and 12 from this side. So I will start my work from here. Insert my hook and make knot. So chain 1 and make here single crochet. So 1 2 and 3. So skip 1, in the next make single crochet. So 1 2 3, skip 1 2, in the third one make single crochet. Again 1 2 3, skip 2, in the third one make single crochet. So do it till to this end. Now this one is my last one and 2. Now pull it in all of it at once like this. make a single crochet. Now 1 2 and in the 2 3 in the next I will make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn here. Now it will look like this. Now skip 1 2 3 4 and the 5th I will make knot and make single crochet till to the next side of the back side. Now make single crochet till to the another side. I skipped 4 and the 5th I stopped. Now make one chain 1 and skip this one. In the next make single crochet and do it till to the another end. Now again chain 1 and skip this one, the first one, and the second make single crochet. So do it till 5 times. This is my third one. This is my third one. Now I did my 5 times single crochet. Now I will make 1 2 skip 1 in the next make single crochet 1 2 skip 1 in the next 1 2 skip in the next 1 2 chain skip in the next. So make it till to the end of this. Now turn your work and now chain 1 again, insert hook in the middle one, the space, and make 1 2 3 and in the same make slip stitch. So it will be like a demonte. Okay, in the next make single crochet 1 2 and in this next make slip stitch. In the next make single crochet 1 2 in the in the same make slip stitch. So it will make like a demonte. Again single 1 2 in the same make slip stitch. Okay, in the next make single crochet 1 2 chain and in the same make slip stitch. So it will look like this. In the next 1 2 and make slip stitch. Now chain, make a chain for 70 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. Now make double and in a parallel. So insert your hook in the space which I made it, and make like this. Now I will insert it in the space here. Like this. Now from this side, like this, and in this one. And do it the other one like this too, from this side. See? And like this. Now I completed my work. I hope you will like my shoe, so make it with your own. See how beautiful it is. If you want to make a back single crochet over here, it will look more beautiful. So see you in the next tutorial, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.